for Worcester.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, northwestern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Townsend, or 7 miles northeast of Fitchburg, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Fitchburg, Pepperell, Tynesburg,